Welcome back, YouTube.
Welcome back, YouTube. We're going camping today.
We're back out in the wilderness.
We're going camping on the island.
Again.
We got canoes and kayaks.
Who is this kid? Where did he come from?
There's Eric over there getting the pedals.
You guys got life jackets?
We got one.
Just once.
I gotta go to my house, get two of them out of this.
I gotta find mine. You guys got the pedals? I got two of mine.
Yeah, I got these paddles.
Got my new hiker.
There's paddles in here.
Two, I think.
Yeah, there's two paddles in here. Oh, we gotta go.
We're gonna block them. Spencer.
Got on second place.
Victor.
Team sold, bruh.
I'm not even gonna put audio in this, bro. I'm gonna put music behind it, bro.
Don't freaking copyright this shit again, bruh.
Yeah, don't put the.
What I used to do, bruh, is get
Huh?
like. I used to
I'm
get
putting that
copyright,
music
bruh.
on, bro.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on my
Bro, if
side.
it's choppy tomorrow, we're cooked.
I don't wanna waste what's
It's
left.
supposed to rain too, huh?
Yeah.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste.
What's it called? Well, Spencer has work at 8, right?
Oh no way, squirrel! We ran him over.
Oh!
No!
I got it on camera.
Bro, I didn't even.
I'll put my stuff on the canoe, bro.
What? You guys pick the kayaks, man. You guys. That's your problem.
Hey, son, you're taking in water there, bud.
That's okay.
You need a cup, bro. So for you, man.
This one not bad.
We got two high-speed boats. We're on pursuit right now. They're going about 60 kilometers an hour in a wake zone. No wake zone.
Yo, he just took in water.
He's just like friggin' inch away from sinking. I don't think he's gonna make it to the island.
Don't do that. That's how you take in water.
There's some people over there watching us.
I know.
Made it to a sandbar. We got stuck. Pretty
Victor's the only
freaking
one
far.
with boots, so we're making him do all the work.
Oh. Victor's being all their heroes, dragging us across. Want the GoPro?
Leans too far. Jason, bro, your back end's so freaking close. Middle of the lake. We're going to. Which one do you guys want to go to? Going with the erosion?
Let's check it out there.
Whoa.
Oh shit.
This wave by? I can't really pedal. I could try though. I don't got no strap. We're in a Mustang. Not sponsored. Let me start recording. Hell yeah. We're going to one of those islands over there. We're like middle of the lake. Not the ideal spot for a kayak.
I'm cooked.
The boys are over there.
Oh, I feel water.
Like camping stuff. No way there's water in here, bruh. Hopefully my stuff will be good. We'll find out.
I'm cooked.
It's just nice out and not sunny, really. Yo, let me put my stuff in your guys' kayak. I'm taking in water.
Taking in water?
I'm pretty sure.
No way.
couple cups of water. Remember?
Oh.
3 cups of water.
Why do we park like this?
Oh, there's some water back here, right?
Yeah. You gotta take off that bungee cord. Take that off. And then unstrap that thing right there. Oh, hey.
Look how clear the water is, Brad. It's blue.
That's how blue the water is. Mountain Dew.
You got the GoPro mounting up.
Wait, why'd you guys do that? Stuck, my feet are stuck.
For you, man. He keeps pushing us back. We'd be there already if he stopped doing that. What? He cut us off, man. Stay in your own lane. Where's the Coast Guard?
Where's the Coast Guard? You're not drunken terrorist. You're on a boat. Call the Coast Guard, don't worry.
We're about to hit land. Before we get far away from everything. Yeah, we go over there. I don't know where Eric's going. Oh my lord.
Spencer, you're taking this back home.
We're hitting land. Made it to land.
Go there, bring it on.
I forgot my battery for my drone and my camera.
But
Oh, I just caught it too.
your secret too.
I found a gun.
They don't know the location. But I went there.
Found a gun, you know. Oh no, you hold it like this. That's a clip. Psh, psh, psh.
A what? A what?
There's deer on this island too.
Really good. New hunting spot. Oh, big deer crash.
There's Victor. Right, Victor?
Yeah.
Here we are. He's having a moment. He's one with nature. He's having a realization. He's becoming enlightened.
Hey, Mr. Krabs here.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Now, Mr. Krabs.
Oh, God. Mr. Krabs curbs. Break your way through. There's no way under or around. Oh my God. One more hit. One more hit.
Top broke off.
Oh my God. It was broken the whole time.
Freaking scrap the video, let's go home.
Act like we're waking up.
Walking down yonder.
Yeah, we'll just act like we're waking up. Set up the fort, take it down. Act like we're waking up and take off.
It's getting dark out, so good night.
What is it, Eric?
Huh?
What is it? Holy shit, that scared me.
We got a cruise ship over here. We gotta get on the cruise ship.
Chase the cruise ship. For some reason, we can't zoom in on this GoPro, but there's someone else camping over there. We're gonna nosy them.
We're not alone on this island.
They got their jet ski.
This island ain't that big for four of us.
Would you rather be in a bear, woods with a bear or a person? Oh, where's he at? Boom, over there. I feel like a wilderness explorer.
Keep on keeping on.
Oh my god. I'm not really a hunter, so you know.
Berry picker.
Berry picking.
What are you guys doing?
Berry picking.
I'm gonna.
You guys are bear pickers?
I ain't. This guy is.
Yep.
Alright, we got a fire going.
Get the fire going.
Get out of the way before you're the target.
Oh. That's poor ass.
It's not sticking, bro. They never stick, Spencer.
Huh?
Wanna see it?
You're.
Oh my god. You're gonna lose your freaking knife again.
Bro, it had fire.
I'm telling you.
Never listen.
Never believe in me.
That's how you lost
Again and
your other
again.
hatchet.
That's how you lost your hatchet.
Her legs were cut off. Her ears were cut off. Where are you?
Didn't stand a chance. Bro, this fire is hot, bro. You can feel it from here.
Right next to Spencer's bag.
I just gotta move forward a couple feet.
There's no mosquitoes.
For real?
I don't feel any.
I don't feel nothing. Oh, they're on the bags, that's why. Not ready yet.
Lay down, bro. Victor.
Right?
He's 100%. 100% mosquito proof.
100% mosquito proof.
Camouflage now. Where did he go?
Dude.
Can't even get up.
Where's the off? We leave him here. So what is
He's stuck. He's like a fish in a net.
Bro, I don't even remember how I went in.
Eric is setting up the hammock.
Get out of this shit, bro.
chill for now.
Where's Victor guy? Canadian Army Met. Got an army surplus. Self-inflates, bro.
Oh, damn.
Just gotta unscrew this. There you go. Now we wait.
I'm getting a telephone call, bro.
What
That's a Canadian parasite right there.
Alright, he has
I'm trying to get up here.
Get the mountains. You can get the mountains.
mountains and flowers.
Mountains are right here though.
You can see the mountains are here.
Yeah,
And then the flowers and the branches.
Turn around.
What the hell?
Dear
Oh my
It's
ear.
falling off. Oh shit! We just got visited by a couple friends.
Yeah.
To rescue us.
Me, Victor. Oh, Victor almost died. I don't know how Spencer's doing this.
He's on 58 feet. He jumps on here. He's gonna get knocked.
Leave him lay in the water. I'm not getting that reboot card.
I'm not getting that reboot card.
Back to resurgence for him.
He's cooked. I'm not gonna be here to watch this.
It's not, no
Cooled
sun out.
down too earlier.
Me and Eric have our hammocks up. We're just chilling. Alright, so we got the 2 hammocks under here. And I bought this carpet Canadian Tire. Our other blue one burnt. But we got the
Bigger one.
woods. This is the base camp one. Can fit 2 hammocks underneath.
We're gonna bonks me and Victor will be under there.
Boys will be sleeping under there. They'll still be dry, but
How mad would you be?
I'd be so mad. Not sleep that.
Start stabbing your inflatable thing.
Yeah, yes, I'll stabbing your inflatable thing. Not this shit again.
Oh god. Oh, is that empty?
He's the winner! You suck!
Alright, let's get this going. I'm native, so
We heard some
it's in my
thunder.
blood.
Yeah, it's thundering, so I think there's gonna be thunderstorm.
Hope we don't get struck.
It's gonna be hard to sleep tonight. So we're just gonna use this clip, wrap a rope around the tree, yeah, and then
I brought cups too, bro.
we all sit under here, bro.
We should really do Palmer not really.
Also, even in the
Here, take that clip off.
that big bag right there.
We got all so quiet. We got one side all set up, and then there's another walkie. Oh, that's Eric's. We're gonna have two hammocks on top and probably two bits on the bottom. But we gotta tie this side to the ground now. All right, we got it all set up.
Hell yeah.
Massive tent, bruh. We're ready for this thunderstorm.
Rain or whatever.
Here's our little door. Got a little fire going for the mosquitoes.
Living in luxury.
We have these ropes, these anchor points tied down to roots. Just gotta dig a little bit, or you just step around and you'll feel them.
There's some special knots for the base.
This is called the base camp tarp. Base camp tarp from Woods. It's pretty massive. We're gonna get ready, get our bags under this. So we're all ready for bed. Got 3 sleep mats for 2 of the boys that are be sleeping there. Eric and Spencer. Me and Victor are sleeping high class, bruh. Sleeping on the trees. Sleeping in the air.
Be sleeping in the tree. Maybe.
And then I covered up my bag with the bag cover. Gonna test it out. Then Victor, poor Victor, man.
Test out the life straw in salt water.
I wonder if it would work.
I'm not trying with mine.
It's a thunderstorm rolling in. It's practically over us now. Nice view out. I don't know why I can't zoom in on this camera. Hunk of junk if you ask me. Go with the black 11. Hope you see this AC. It'd be cool if you record lightning. Eric's over there. I'm right here. It's getting louder. I'm gonna go check out this pond over here. We're on an island. I'm on a lake, on an island, in a lake, on another island. So, yeah. All alone. Hope I don't get lost. Hope a beaver doesn't bite me. That's pretty nice. Trying to get freaking struck by lightning. I'll meet you back at the camp.
So, me and the boys gonna have some supper.
Use this, yeah? So deformed.
I'm having spaghetti.
Oh, that's freaking.
Is enough?
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Spencer's making some type of
You sure that's enough?
spaghetti
Do I
and
use
meat
all my
sauce.
water?
No.
There's still lots. Yeah, that's enough. Because it only needs 400 meats.
Wait, fish in it?
Yo, watch this.
Turn it down.
Damn, Victor.
Hey, cool. Look at all the mosquitoes, bro. Burn them.
Oh yeah.
New water too, Victor?
Yeah.
Grab, don't put that over.
Don't put this on the ground.
Alright, Victor's having
What you need, bro?
instant noodles.
Not a lot. Just like fill up the cup a little bit.
What you need?
No,
Well,
you can
like,
smell that shit, man.
Not that much. Probably, bro. Probably
Yeah?
that, yeah. Less than halfway now on my one.
Oh, you guys can smell this right now. Smells so good.
It's hot to hold.
Hot to hold.
Hold that side. I gotta rip this off.
Hot, hot, hot.
Or just hold the whole thing. Ow! It's hot.
Why don't you zip it up?
That's what I told him.
What?
You're supposed to zip
Oh,
it
there's
up.
a zip thing?
Yeah?
What the?
I think this is just
You
a
sure?
having
Are you sure about that?
Positive.
I've been telling you since.
I had one of these bad boys before.
What the? The more you know.
What the
The more you know. The more you learn
Okay.
each day.
Actually, you know what? I didn't like Thomas the Train. I only like the one where they
That was my
talked.
favorite, bro.
I only like the one that when they talked. Like the
Their
train-
mouth.
Yeah, when the trains talked.
That was my favorite one.
But when it was just the narrator, I found it boring, bro.
What is it?
Thomas the Train.
Percy is
Thomas
scared.
Train?
Yeah.
I remember Thomas Train. I remember the OG one, bruh.
I used to watch that other
best.
channel, that oldies channel, and they played like He-Man and stuff.
He-Man Woman Hater Club.
And He-Man, Care Bears,
Care Bears, bro.
the Smurfs.
I had Care Bears blanket.
Bro, look, we're so covered from the freaking trees. We're golden.
Victor.
I feel nothing.
Would you, like,
What the shit is it, man? Some kind of interview, man?
Some kind of interview.
The shit is this shit,
yeah.
man? Listen to what's that trying to eat, man? Trying to live life.
How
I
do
don't,
you-
I don't deal with this shit, man.
what do you think about the rain?
Oh, what happened to my...
The rain, it ain't gonna harm us. It's honestly just water. Can't
The
do
lightning
anything.
might harm us.
Real severe thunder warning. Warning.
Ah, the thunder ain't gonna hit us. Maybe it'll hit a tree like 5 feet in the air.
Okay, just,
Or
Go hit
cook?
that tree
Look
right
at this
there,
thing.
and that tree will fall on us, bruh.
Look at this.
Done.
Damn, that smells so good, bro.
That looks good too.
Alright, guys.
It's like that one video. What do you got for lunch?
Oh my god, that's so good.
We're all ready for bed. Well, yeah. Good night, guys.
Yeah, I started going crazy.
Last night, huh?
Alright.
There's a jet boil. You put it away. Look at that, bro. Still waking up.
Imagine. Where are we?
There.
Bring bird. Where are we?
6 o'clock right now.
We had excellent sleep. No issues
Need my
whatsoever.
I need my extra large triple coffee. Where am I?
We gotta go to Tim Hortons.
Bruh, the worst thing is gonna be friggin' canoeing back at this side, isn't you?
It's actually so windy. Actually, so many mosquitoes.
Yeah, I'm turning my headlamp off, bro. But
I didn't bring a sweater.
I didn't.
Freak that.
It was too hot yesterday. We had a heat warning.
I packed my sweater too, bro, but I was like, nah, we'll be fine. I don't need this. The squirrels going crazy.
Squirrels are going nuts. Nuts. Trying to cover myself with the smoke so mosquitoes won't bother me much. I gotta find something. Just left camp. Victor is right in front of me, and the boys, Spencer and Eric, they took off without us. So we got some catching up to do. Not even gonna tell them.
Bro. Bro, I'm fucking this shit, bro. Screw this shit, bro. I'm not doing this. I was scared to go, bro. I'm leaving this, but I knew one time.
We got the rope.
I'm not dealing with this shit, bro. I don't get eaten
There.
alive, bro. I get off the garden, bro. Screw this shit. Rest in peace. Be a souvenir to the garden.
Rest in peace, bag. I think me and Victor got here before the boys, even though they left before us. For real, I was still packing. We gotta climb down this dangerous cliff.
What, this is gonna be fun?
We're gonna have fun going home. Looks like it's gonna rain, bruh.
You know, once we get across this side.
Oh no, they're right there. Let's keep going. Someone mugged us and stole Victor's sleeping bag. There. Eric's ready. Spencer's here. Now we gotta go over there. We got mugged in the woods.
Yeah, mugged by raccoons. What do you mean? I don't know. I looked my bag on the car. Raccoon.
My sleeping bag. Victor!
What?
There's a goddamn parasite on you.
Oh hell no, bro. Where? What the sh?
Shows the bag. Oh, there are more parasites, bro. Yo!
Oh, you thinking of shit up?
And the boys are off without us.
Once again.
Alright, we gotta get going. So wavy. We're not going down with that shit. These white caps are dangerous. It's all white caps. We're risking our life for this. Anything for the views. I have to record it.
God damn. Oh. Holy shit, bro. It's actually so bad out. We gotta make it all the way over here.
We've made it nearly more than halfway, I think. Well, once we get to that sandbar over there, we'll get to halfway. But these waves are horrible. Just balance yourself out. That's all we gotta do. Alright, I'm gonna keep pedaling. We made it to shore. I don't know if this video sounds bad because the phone got wet, but it's all calm the rest of the way. We're like the halfway point. This is like the bad ocean side. Here's the good lake side.
This side, there's life or death.
Life or death.
Life or death, bro.
Camped over there.
We're not getting life or death, but we'd have lost all our equipment. We'd have lost all our camping gear, bro. We need insurance on camping gear, bro. Just in case.
I would have jumped in for my camping gear, bro.
Huh?
Get my camping gear! Bro, it went underwater the front earlier. That's why it's all so. That's why I'm wet. It's like dry on this side, but wet on this side.
My freaking.
Yeah. Yeah.
At least we're on this side, boys. But I was saying the Nuchin and Wausau boys. I was scared. I want a muffin.
Bro, I swear to God, I packed like 4 muffins.
Oh shit! Eric pedaling backwards. Starting to rain. No, it's starting to downpour now. Spencer and Eric are over there. Alright, it's downpouring. We gotta hurry up and get to shore and load up and take off. We're on the truck.
We'll be back, you two. We're soaking wet. Wristy wide. We're not dead.
We're not dead.
We made it towards the white caps.
Yeah.
Heading home, then change, maybe quick shower, and then go Tim Hortons.
I'm soaked, man.
Go on to our famous store, Timmy Hortons. And we're gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll do some more camping.